Introducing the BC Bird Wire Crimping Tool, a one-handed bird ferrule crimping and wire cutting plier. The BC Crimping Tool is designed to crimp ferrule sizes ranging from 0.7 mm to 2.5 mm, using a single-handed operation. The tool will automatically release the jaws once the correct crimping pressure has been applied to the ferrule. To avoid damaging the crimping tool, the release latch must be used if the jaws do not release automatically. Please be aware that some ferrules that have the same size wire specification can have thicker walls and can cause the automatic jaw release not to operate. If thicker ferrules are being used, please do not apply excessive pressure to get the auto release to work. To avoid damaging the crimping tool, you must use the release latch to open the jaws. .7 mm nickel ferrule with plastic coated wire. .5 mm thin-walled copper ferrule with 1 mm braided stainless steel wire. .5 mm thick-walled copper ferrule with 1 mm braided stainless steel wire. If using thick-walled ferrules, we recommend using the next size up jaw position and releasing the jaws with the latch to avoid any possible damage to the crimping tool. .5 mm aluminium ferrule with 2 mm galvanized wire. .5 mm copper ferrule with 2 mm stainless steel wire. .1 mm round ferrule with 0.96 mm wire. Wire cutter operation. For more information and advice about the BC Crimping Tool, please call Killgerm on 01924 268 420. Thank you.